Hello, and welcome back to nVent PYROTENAX World Headquarters. Today we're going to be talking about critical life safety codes and standards, how they evolved, and how industry professionals are using this information to assure compliance. We'll also be talking about an exciting new series of videos we'll be releasing this year, going into much more detail on these applicable codes and standards. Fire safety codes and standards in the United States date back to the 19th century development of automatic sprinklers. In 1895, a small group of sprinkler and insurance representatives created an association, now recognized as the National Fire Protection Association, NFPA, to classify and standardize a wide range of fire protection equipment such as sprinklers, hoses, hydrants, and extinguishers, as well as building materials such as doors, windows, and woods. In 1897, the NFPA published the world's first National Electric Code, NEC, to standardize electrical safety for wiring, alarms, and related equipment. Since then, fire safety and electrical codes and standards have been adopted worldwide and have been continuously improved to help ensure best methods and practices for designing buildings. One area of primary importance in building design is the protection of critical electrical circuits such as alarms, emergency lighting, electrical fire pump feeds, and emergency generators and air handlers, as well as electrical feeds for emergency elevators. Architects and engineers have a multitude of ways to design and construct such critical circuits. With over 100 years of history, codes and standards have been put to the test many times. As building design, materials, and construction methods have evolved, so too have the codes and standards. nVent PYROTENAX System 1850 and products have been specified into buildings during the design phase, both for new construction and retrofit, for more than half a century. Given our experience and familiarity with fire safety standards, we will be developing a series of short videos to help explain the most common codes for critical life safety circuits, their intent, how they've evolved over time, and the various methods available to meet them. We will be covering the following codes in this series, each in their own short video. Article 695 concerns fire pumps. Article 700 concerns emergency systems, which includes additional critical features such as emergency lighting and ventilation, and firefighters' elevators. Article 708, Critical Operations Power Systems, also known as COPS. These are emergency command centers where the responses to larger incidents can be effectively managed. COPS arose after 9/11 and Hurricane Katrina. Article 728 concerns system listing and insists that no component substitutes must be allowed. A system is only as good as its weakest link, so the entire system must be followed exactly, and that's what Article 728 is all about. Article 760 has to do with fire alarm systems, and Article 310.15, ampacity and free air rating. We'll discuss what these terms really mean and their importance in designing code-complying solutions. We hope you find these videos interesting and informative. To be informed of when these videos become available, or to learn more information about PYROTENAX System 1850 solutions, please visit us on the web or contact us at the address on your screen. Thank you.